Looking for the best rocket stoves in 2025? In this video, we'll explore the top-rated rocket stoves that offer high efficiency, durability, and portability for outdoor cooking and survival. Stay tuned to find the perfect stove for your needs. If you want to know about price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. OnlyFire 3-in-1 Camp Rocket Stove. The OnlyFire 3-in-1 Camp Rocket Stove is the best rocket stove for camping in 2025, designed for ultimate efficiency and portability. Featuring a large fuel chamber made of rust-resistant carbon steel, it delivers powerful heat for outdoor cooking. This portable rocket stove 2025 includes a 14.5-inch cooking grate, 18 griddle, and cooktop, making it perfect for grilling, boiling, and warming food. Its compact design with a sturdy handle allows for easy transport, while the 45-degree fuel inlet makes refueling with wood, twigs, or pine cones effortless. The sliding door concentrates flames for maximum heat output, and the open cooktop supports various cookware. Ideal for camping, hiking, and survival situations, the OnlyFire rocket stove ensures reliable performance anywhere. Upgrade your outdoor cooking experience today. Number 2. StanBroil 3-in-1 Rocket Stove. The StanBroil 3-in-1 Rocket Stove is one of the best rocket stoves 2025, built for durability and efficient outdoor cooking. Designed with a large cooktop, it supports kettles, pots, pans, and Dutch ovens, making it perfect for camping, grilling, and emergency preparedness. As one of the most efficient rocket stoves, it features a 45-degree inclined fuel inlet, a large fuel chamber, and an air inlet port for proper ventilation and consistent heat. Made of heavy-gauge carbon steel, this stove is rust-resistant and built to last. Its off-grid design runs on wood, twigs, and pine cones, making it one of the top rocket stoves for survival. Whether for camping, off-grid living, or emergencies, the StanBroil rocket stove is a must-have. Upgrade your outdoor cooking today. Number 3. Bulletproof Rocket Stoves. The Bulletproof Rocket Stoves 50 BMG is one of the best rocket stoves 2025, designed for powerful cooking and emergency heating. As the only extra-large gasifier rocket stove, it burns longer, hotter, and cleaner than traditional models, making it a top choice for survivalists. Whether you're cooking meals, boiling water, or using it as an emergency wood heater with a 4-inch vent pipe, this stove delivers unmatched efficiency. If you're exploring a DIY rocket stove guide, this model offers a professional-grade solution. When comparing a rocket stove versus gas stove, the 50 BMG stands out for its ability to burn wood pellets and provide off-grid heating. Built for durability and high performance, it's the ultimate stove for survival and preparedness. Get yours today. Number 4. Rocket Stove Heavy-Duty Portable Camp Stove. The Rocket Stove Heavy-Duty Portable Camp Stove is one of the best rocket stoves 2025, built for powerful outdoor cooking with minimal fuel. Designed as the best wood-burning rocket stove, it efficiently burns charcoal, twigs, branches, and other biomass while accommodating heavy cookware like cast iron pots and Dutch ovens. Its sturdy cylindrical design ensures stability, while stainless steel handles with heat-resistant grips provide safe handling. The 3-pronged cast iron stove top supports various cookware sizes, making it ideal for camping, RVing, beach parties, and emergency preparedness. As one of the most affordable rocket stoves 2025, it delivers superior heat transfer with minimal smoke. Whether you're off-grid or cooking for a group, this portable stove offers efficiency and durability. Upgrade your outdoor cooking today. Number 5. Willowy Bee Outdoor Sauna Hot Tent Stove. The Willowy Bee Outdoor Sauna Hot Tent Stove is one of the best rocket stoves 2025, designed for both sauna heating and outdoor cooking. Built as a high-efficiency rocket stove, it features a sauna stone support frame for an authentic outdoor sauna experience. Made with high-temperature resistant materials, it won't rust, peel, or emit odors, making it perfect for long-term use. The adjustable air intake valve allows precise heat control, while the chimney top design prevents sparks from escaping. For campers and survivalists, this portable stove folds compactly for easy transport. Need rocket stove cooking tips? Use it for boiling, grilling, or drying gear during hunting and ice fishing trips. Whether for relaxation or survival, this durable stove is a must-have. Upgrade your outdoor setup today. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about these products, do check out my description. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.